Hey guys, going outside to work on the garage again. This time I'm gonna readjust how it closes, because it closes too tight. Too tight. And yeah, there's a bracket now, yeah. There's a bracket. Wait a minute, that looks like something from that thing. I don't know what it was from, but you know. And Dad epoxied it, so I gotta work on the garage door opener. You know what the garage door opener does? It shuts the garage door too tight. Not that one, this one. The one by the truck. Alright, I'll show you how to do it if you don't know. This is a how to readjust your standard MyQ garage door opener. This is for MyQ garage door openers only. If you have one like our left door has, then this video won't help you with that one. That one's a dialer one, I think. Yeah, and this is a older LiftMaster. We have LiftMaster, yeah, we own LiftMasters. We have one LiftMaster and one Chamberlain MyQ. Yeah, because our last one broke, if you remember. From a previous video, probably. That was a while ago on one of my older channels. On one of my older channels, about the garage doors, and stuff. I will actually climb up on these doors here. I'm gonna, so you can always shut the garage door, but, when you're programming it and stuff, you want to make sure that it's not going to shut too tightly. I'm sure of that, so I'll show you how to do it. So I'm going to... Okay, got that open. Alright, I'm going to go shut the garage, because that's how you set it up, so... Yeah, our garage door opener has battery, probably, I don't know. Honestly, I don't know if it has battery backup or not, so I'm going to go out and shut the garage door. What Dad knows too. He knows I'm working on it, so it's fine. Because I have to shut it when I'm working. Because, I mean, yeah, because I'm working up on the garage door opener, and I don't want this going up by itself or anything, so. Yeah, you probably hear the garage door. I'll show you how tight it shuts first. Because I want to update how it shuts, not how it opens. See? That's how tight it shuts, so. It's not supposed to shut that tightly, so that one doesn't shut that tight, so it's pretty dark in here, and because the garage door is shut, I'm gonna go, turn on the lights. Yeah, and that's gonna turn on. Yeah, I'm gonna open the stuff later. I'll open the, thing later on, down the road. Stupid Bluetooth light. I hate that thing. Alright, so I'm gonna just start working on the door today. Yeah, you probably know all about the room already. Change the picture in that window, finally. Alright, so you hit the learn button. Then you hit this. And then you wanna click that. Okay, let's see. You hold this. Okay, let me do something here, okay? So is that locked over there? I can't see. Yeah, it's not locked. Okay. So I'm gonna wait for the learn waiting. So I'm gonna travel the door. Yeah. Okay, that's... So I stopped out at the garage door opener, by the way. Alright, so I'm gonna bring it back up. Let me stop it. Okay, there, and then I'm going... This is a test run to show you how loud it shuts and stuff, so I'm gonna re-travel it. Gotta re-travel this door, so... Right now it shuts too tight, so I'm gonna let it... Okay, I stop it right there, so then, here, I'm gonna hit the learn button again. Yeah, so I'm gonna shut it back that way, but not See, it shuts too tightly, so I'm gonna, reprogram it here, okay? Okay, that's weird. Alright, here, let me, let the learn light go out and, learn. Okay, hit the learn button. Okay, I'm thinking what's going on here is if I hit the learning light twice here. Oh, shit. See, look how tight that shuts. It pulls the whole garage door. So let's get the door working. I'm gonna let the learn lighting go out here. So then, okay, let's do that. Hold this for 3 seconds. And then I might go in the house and drink some soda quickly, but, I'll be right back out, and if, alright, there we go. Now it's faster. Alright. Alright, I'm going to stop it right where it should. Right there. Okay. This is only a test run, so... Alright, this is only a test run, so I'm gonna... Alright. Alright, this is a test run, I think. I don't know. Right now I'm holding the thing, and it still does that, so we're saving. So I'm hoping that I can just stop it right here. Alright, yeah, I'm having a little issues. I'll have to look it up. I'll come back when I know how to do it. I'll come right back.